Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Now, at the present moment, sometimes fighting takes place for some personal ambition, so fulfill some personal ambition. But that should not be the case. To fulfill one's personal ambition, any risky thing should not be taken. No, Kṛṣṇa says, just like foolish people, they work being too much attached for their sense gratification. Similarly, those who are learned, those who are advanced in spiritual knowledge, they also may work similarly, but not for the purpose of sense gratification. How it is possible? Just like a merchant, a mercantile man is doing some business and working very hard day and night to accumulate some money. Similarly, a devotee of the Lord also can earn money in the same spirit, working day and night. Superficially, it will appear just like this man and that man. There is no difference. They are working the same and day and night for earning some money. But the devotee or the man who is established in relationship with God, his expenditure will be different. His expenditure will be not for sense gratification, for advancement of God consciousness. That is the ideal man. There is no harm if you work very much attached to your business or anything. That doesn't matter.